Hello guys, it's Max here from Daily Market Movements. Welcome to another episode where today we're going to be analysing the S&P 500 future chart. It was just yesterday when I said that for the S&P 500 to go up to test 4,082, which represents the top of this wedge, we would need to break above the 200-day EMA as well as a 0.236 fib area, which currently sat at around 4,027. And the good news is that we have managed to do just that. Yesterday we had a daily close pretty much straight on that 0.236 fib area, but today in the futures market we are trading positively in the green, up around 0.5%. So this is very encouraging. The fact that we're now trading above 4,040 as well is very good news for the S&P 500. I do fully anticipate us now to go and trade up towards the top of this wedge, which currently sits around 4,080 to 4,100. I don't currently open a trade here. The risk reward ratio just isn't here. Even if I opened a trade, let's say yesterday morning when we were down at 4,000, still, there was a lot of risk towards the downside. Despite the large amounts of gains which was on offer if we did go up towards the top side of this wedge. But that risk management just isn't really attractive for me. I'd much rather open a sell position up here or a buy position if we were to break out. We have made some money, quite a lot of money actually, here in the S&P 500 over the past couple of weeks, especially in my signal team. And it's important to understand that you don't always have to be invested, and sometimes the best trade is no trade at all. And that's kind of the take that I've kind of got right now at this moment in time with regards to my signal team. So patience is the key. If we were to pull back significantly and perhaps go and test a 50-day EMA or break below it, that could potentially offer a fantastic buying opportunity. But at this moment in time, I'm quite happy for the S&P 500 to trade within this very tight 100 to 200 point range and wait for a breakout, because I am a true believer that once we do get a breakout towards the upside, we will go back towards the August swing highs here up at 4,300, and vice versa. If we were to break towards the downside, that could potentially open up a door towards the October lows, which is all the way down at 3,500. What is encouraging here is if we quickly look at the Nasdaq 100, we are testing last week's swing highs. If we were to break above that, then that would definitely, in my opinion, open up a move towards the August swing highs. So if the S&P 500 was to follow here, then of course that takes us up towards 4,300. I do not currently have a signal open here in the S&P 500. As I mentioned a few moments ago, we did close one last week, up 2.45%. This year so far, I myself and my signal team are up 30.63%. So if you would like to participate in my next signal here that I have open in the S&P 500, then please do not hesitate to scan this QR code on your screen. That will take you to my website where you can then join my signal team for a very small fee of $29.